Hi, good morning. So today I'm going to be making my Omi's favorite carrot cake recipe. So with the wet ingredients, we have 1.5 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 cup of oil, and some vanilla. So we're going to beat this until it's light and fluffy. So for the dry ingredients, we have 2 cups of flour, cinnamon, and allspice. For the cinnamon, we have 1/2 teaspoon, and for the allspice, we have 3/4 teaspoon. So we're just going to mix that together and really incorporating the cinnamon and the allspice and the salt into the dry mixture. And then as that's incorporated, we are going to mix that into our wet ingredients. And really just incorporating all the flour, all the dry mixture with the wet mixture. This might take a few minutes. So we've just added the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add our final 2 ingredients, so it's 1/2 cup of walnuts. Really mix those in. And then second, we are going to add our 4 cups of carrots. And so all these ingredients that we've used come fresh and organic from the store. Bought a day prior, even just today, to make sure everything is fresh and rises correctly in the oven. So we're just gonna grease our pans. And then we're gonna pour the mixture in and we're gonna put it in the oven on 350 to 9-inch pans for 25 minutes. So about half the mixture in each pan, so the cream cheese frosting can layer in between. All right. So now we're on to the icing for the carrot cake. So we have our 8 ounces of cream cheese here, our 3 cups of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of butter, along with vanilla. And this is organic vanilla coming straight from Mexico. So let's add this all together. So we're just gonna beat this before adding the powdered sugar. Just get it more incorporated. And then as that's mixed, we're just gonna add our 3 cups just by increments. So about 1 cup each time. Really just mixing and incorporating that so the powdered sugar dissolves. And then we're going to add our, you can do 1/2 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon depending on your likeness of vanilla. And then really just incorporate the powdered sugar with the cream cheese. It might take a few minutes to incorporate all that. And just our last little bit. Now this is a stiffer cream cheese. It's not liquidy like ice cream, but we're just gonna be able to slather it on the carrot cake. See, it's coming nice together. about 25-35 minutes in the oven, we're ready to add our frosting to the cake. So here we're just using hot water so all the crumbles don't mix in with the icing. Really leave that as like a pure top. See how it's coming on nice and smoothly with the hot water. So we've just finished icing the carrot cake. So the last step is going to be to put on the walnuts. Now we're just gonna generously put it on the sides and the top. Just gonna grab more walnuts to drizzle on the top. And we have it. So now we need to shake them off. All right. Here we have our slice. And to taste it. Very good.